Good morning, student. I hope we all are completed worksheet. Okay. Today we are going to start answer key. Roman letter 1. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. First question. Which one can be eaten as raw food? Okay. What is the correct answer? Yes, correct. Carrot. Okay. Carrot. Okay. Second question. Uncooked food is called. Uncooked food is called. What is the correct answer? Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Next, we see Roman letter 2. Write any two raw and cooked food. Okay. Write any two raw and cooked food. Okay. Raw food. Okay. Carrot. We already told that lesson. Okay. Carrot. Carrot. Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay. Next, second question. Cooked food. Okay. Cooked food. Any two. Okay. Buri. Dosai. Buri. Buri. Dosai. Okay. Okay, student. Once again, repeat the question. Okay. First question. Which one can be eaten as raw food? Okay. Correct answer. Carrot. Correct answer. Carrot. Second question. Uncooked food is called. Okay. Correct answer. Raw food. Okay. Next, we see. Write any two raw and cooked food. Okay. First question. Raw food. Carrot. Cucumber. Okay. Next. Second question, cooked food, puri, dosa. Okay. Next we see Roman letter third, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First question, dash gives us energy to work and play. Okay. What is the correct answer? Yes, exactly. Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Raw food. Okay. Second question. Cooked food is easily. Okay. What is the correct answer? Digested. Digested. Okay. We see Roman letter 4. Write as yes or no. Okay. First question. Junk food is good for health. Junk food is good for health. Yes or no? No. Next, second question. You should wash your hand before and after eating. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next, we see answer the following. Answer the following. First question. What is the raw food? What is the raw food? Okay. The answer is okay. Food that. Food. F-O-O-D. Food that. T-H-A-T. Food that we eat. Okay. We eat directly. We eat. W-E. We eat. E-A-T. Eat directly. Okay. Directly. D-I-R-E-C-L-Y. Directly. Okay. Directly. D-I-R-E-C-T-L-Y. Directly. Without cooking. Without W-I-T-H-O-U-T. Without cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Without cooking. Called raw food. Okay. Called C-A-L-L-E-D. Called raw food. Raw food. Okay. Raw food. Okay. Once again repeat. What is the raw food? What is the raw food? Answer is food that we eat. Food that we eat directly without cooking called raw food. Okay. Clear? Students, last class we will see the raw food and cooked food. Today we see cooking methods and habits. Okay. Today we see cooking methods and habits. Okay. Next, we see cooking method. We see cooking method. Cooking method. Okay, there are three types cooking methods. There are three types cooking methods. Okay, first moist heat. First moist heat. M-O-I-S-T. Moist heat. H-E-A-T. Moist heat. Second one is dry heat. Dry. D-R-Y. Dry heat. H-E-A-T. Dry heat. Third one other methods. Third one other methods. Okay. O-T-H-E or other methods. M-E-T-H-O-D-S. Okay. Other methods. Okay. Here. What is mean by moist heat? What is mean by moist heat? Some water contained. Okay. Some water contained in this heat. In this heat must need water. Okay. What is mean by moist heat? What is mean by moist heat? Some water contained in this heat must need water. Okay. Divide to three types. First one is boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. Second one is steaming. S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G. Steaming. Third one is pressure cooking. Pressure. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Pressure cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay, cooking. First one is boiling, second one is steaming, third one is pressure cooker. Okay, clear? Next, dry heat. What is mean by dry heat? Without water. Okay, divide into three. Next we see dry heat. What is mean by dry heat? Without water. Okay. Next we see divide into three. First one is roasting. R-O-A-S-T-I-N-G. Roasting. Okay. Second one is baking. Okay. Second one is baking. B-A-K-I-N-G. Baking. Okay. Third one is frying. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Frying. Okay. Clear? Okay. Moist heat. Divided into three types. First one is boiling. Second one is. Next we see dry heat. Okay, divided into three types. Okay, first one is roasting, second one is baking, third one is frying. Okay, clear? Next other methods. Okay, divided into two types. First one is microwave cooking. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. Microwave cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay, clear? Microwave cooking. Second one is solar cooking. S-O-L-A-R. Solar cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Solar cooking. Clear? Student, clear? Student, once again repeat. Okay, cooking methods. There are three types. First type moist heat. Second type dry heat. Third one is other methods. Okay, moist heat divide into three types. First one is boiling. Second one is steaming. Okay, third one is pressure cooking. Okay, clear? Second, dry heat. What is the spelling of pressure cooker? Okay, pressure. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Pressure cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Pressure cooking. Okay. Next we see dry heat. Dry heat means without water. Okay. There are three types. There are three types. First one is roasting. First one is roasting. Second one is baking. Third one is frying. Okay. Next other methods. Next other method. There are two types. First one is microwave cooking. Microwave cooking. Micro M-I-C-R-O. Microwave W-A-V. Microwave cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Second one is solar cooking. S-O-L-A-R. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Solar cooking. Okay. Clear? Okay, student. Let us see the boiling. Okay. Let us see the boiling. Okay. Boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. Okay. What is the boiling? What is the boiling? It is a. What is mean by boiling? What is mean by boiling? Okay. It is a method. It is a method. M-E-T-H-O-D. It is a method of cooking. Of cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay. Of cooking food by. Okay. Food by immersing. Okay. Immersing. I-M-M-E-R-S-I-N-G. Immersing it in boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. It in boiling water. W-A-T-R. Boiling water so that it in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. The food becomes soft. Okay. Become soft. Okay. Once again repeat. It is a method. Of cooking. Food by immersing. What is the meaning by immersing? The rice are immersing in the boiling of water. Okay, clear? What is meaning by immersing? The rice are immersing in the boiling water. Okay. It in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. So that the food becomes soft. For example, rice egg. Okay. For example, rice egg. Okay. Clear? Okay. For example, rice egg. Okay. Once again repeat. What is meaning by boiling? Okay. It is a method of cooking. Food by immersing it in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. For example, rice egg. Okay. Next we see steaming. Okay. Next we see steaming. Okay. Next we see the steaming. S-T-A-M-I-N-G. Steaming. Okay. What is meaning by steaming? It is a method of. It is a method. M-E-T-H-O-D. Okay. It is a method of cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay. It is a method of cooking food in steaming. Food in steam. S-T-E-A-M. Okay. Steam. Okay. Next by immersing. By immersing. I-M-M-E-R-S-I-N-G. By immersing the In a, the whistle. W-D-E-S-S-E-L. Whistle. In a container. In a container with boiling water. In a container with boiling water. In a container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. Okay. Container with boiling water. W-I-T-H. With boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling water. Okay. Water. Clear? What is meaning by steaming? It is a method of cooking. It is a method of cooking. It is a method of cooking food in steam. Okay. It is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the whistle in a container with boiling water. Once again repeat. Steaming. It is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing. Steam by immersing the whistle in a container with boiling water. For example, idli, idiyappam. For example, idli, idiyappam. Okay, idli. Idli, idiyappam. Idiyappam. Y-A-P-P-A-M. Okay, idiyappam. For example, Italy, idiyappam. Okay, clear? Next we see pressure cooking. Pressure cooking. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Pressure cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Pressure cooking. Okay. What is mean by pressure cooking? It is a method of. It is a method. M-E-T-H-O-D. It is a method of cooking. It is a method of cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. It is a method of cooking food in air. Food F-O-D. Food in air. Pressure cooking. Food in air. Pressure cooking. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Pressure cooking. Okay. Pressure cooking. Clear? Once again repeat. Pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking. It is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooking. For example, rice, dal. For example, rice, dal. Okay. For example, rice, R-I-C-E. Rice, dal. D-H-A-L. Dal. Okay. For example, rice and dal. For example, rice and dal. Okay. Once again repeat. Pressure cooking. Once again repeat. Pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking. It is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooking. Food in a pressure cooking. For example, rice and dal. Rice and dal. Next we see roasting. Okay. Next we see roasting. R-O-A-S-T-I-N-G. Roasting. Okay. What is meant by roasting? It is a method of. M-E-T-H-O-D. It is a method of cooking food by cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking food by. Okay. It is a method. It is a method of. It is a method of cooking food by heating. H-E-A-T-I-N-G. Okay. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying. T-A-W-A. Tawa or frying. Okay. Tawa or frying. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Okay. F-R-Y-I-N-G. frying pan, frying pan, frying pan without covering it, without covering it, without covering, C-O-V-E-R-I-N-G, covering it. Okay, here roasting. Okay, roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying, frying pan without covering it. Okay. Next one, second repeat. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. For example, groundnut, chestnut. Okay. For example, groundnuts. C-R-O-U-N-D, groundnut, chestnut. Okay. C-A-S-H-E-W-N-U-T. Okay, chestnut. Okay, clear? Once again repeat. Roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating. It is a method of cooking food by heating. Okay, on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. For example, groundnut, chestnut. Okay. Next we see frying. Okay. Next we see frying. Y-N-G. Okay. Next we see frying. What is mean by frying? It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Okay. It is a method of M-E-T-H-O-D. Okay. It is a method of cooking. Food in hot oil. Food in hot. H-O-D, hot oil. Hot oil. For example, chips. And buri. Okay. For example, chips and buri. Okay, we go right. Okay, buri clear. Once again repeat frying. It is a method of cooking. Food in hot oil. Okay. For example, chips and buri. Okay, clear. Next we see microwave. Micro, M-I-C-R-O, microwave, W-A-V-E, microwave. Okay. Okay. Micro means very small. Okay. Wave means electromagnetic waves. Okay. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electromagnetic waves. M-A-G-E. Electromagnetic waves. Okay. Electromagnetic waves. Okay. Electromagnetic waves. Okay. What is mean by microwave? What is mean by microwave? Okay. Microwave. We are electromagnetic wave. Okay. Electromagnetic wave. Sorry. Microwave or electromagnetic wave. E-L-E-C-T-R-O. Electromagnetic. M-A-G-N-E-T. G-E-N-I, electromagnetic wave. Okay, N-I-C, electromagnetic wave. W-A-V-E, electromagnetic wave. Big, very small wavelength with W-I-T-H, with very small, S-M-A-L, very small wavelength, very small wavelength, L-E-N-G-T-H. Okay, clear? What is mean by microwave? Microwave or electromagnetic wave. Microwave or electromagnetic wave. Okay, with very small with length, with very small wavelength. Okay, clear? Next we see cooking habits. Cooking habits. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking habits. H-A-B-I-T-S. Okay. Cooking habits. Okay. Cooking habits. Okay. First point. Wash your hand with soap before cooking. Wash your hand with soap before cooking. Okay. First point. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash your, Y-O-U-R, wash your, before, wash your hand, H-A-N-D-S, wash your hands with soap, wash your hands with soap, S-O-A-P, wash your hand with soap before cooking, before cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay, wash your hands with soap before cooking. Okay, clear? Next, second, wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Okay, second point, wash vegetables, vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables and fruits, and A-D, and fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, and fruits. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting, before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before cutting, C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Okay, before cutting, okay. Next, third point. Okay. Next, third point. Do not use some oil. Do not use some oil for cooking. Do not use some, S-O-M-E, some. Do not use some oil for cooking. Oil for F-O-R, for cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Okay, do not use some oil for cooking food many times. F-O-O-D, food many, M-A-N-Y, many times, T-I-M-E-S, times. Okay, student, once again repeat. Cooking habits. Okay, wash your hand with soap before cooking. Okay, second, wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Third point, do not use the same oil for cooking food many times. Okay, clear? Once again repeat. Cooking methods. There are three types. First one is moist heat, second one is dry heat, third one is other methods. Okay, moist heat divided into three types. Okay, boiling, steaming, pressure cooking. Okay, next, dry heat without. What is mean by dry heat? Without water. Okay, without water. Dry heat without water. Okay, Okay, student. One second. Repeat cooking habits. Cooking habit. Wash your hand with soap. Wash your hand with soap before cooking. Before cooking. Wash your hand with soap before cooking. Okay. Second point. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Okay. Third point. Do not use same oil. Do not use the same oil for cooking food many times. Okay. Thank you, student.